Thank you very much.
Grande Bomano.
That's a movie.
How long did it
What's
take
that?
you? How long did it take you to finish that one?
Lui italiano.
Just a few days.
2 days.
Because. Thank you.
Great piece.
Thank you very much.
Bravo, molto bravo. Bravissimo. Ci ha messo 2 giorni. Robby Ponte, per me Robby Ponte è italiano. Grande Robby Ponte. Ok, bravo.